Hi, my name is Arturo Zea. I work for the València Clima and Energy Foundation, mainly on energy issues. Well, to be awarded as European Green Capital for 2024, it's a recognition for all the efforts and the big projects that Valencia is promoting during the last years. And of course, it's an additional boost for us, so we can continue working on making the city more inclusive and healthy and sustainable. And a good example for that is that we committed with the 2 European missions on climate neutrality and climate change adaptation. And that's a good example of how this green capital will help us continue progressing on all these issues. Well, first of all, it's important to consider that regarding the housing stock of Valencia, more than 50% of the buildings are 50 years or older, and this goes for a 40% in energy consumption and 30% of emissions of the city. So of course there's a need of promoting an energy renovation wave, and in this sense we try to participate in several European projects such as EBENTO, Save the Homes, and the Net Zero Cities pilot application. So for us it's a priority to help deploying this energy renovation wave. For us, it's really important to participate in this project, and in this framework, we will try to explore energy performance contracts applied to the residential sector. So the idea is to test this in this sector to, let's say, measure the impact of renovation on energy issues and on health and on comfort, and also linking it to innovative business models and financing, so everyone can participate in this renovation wave, no matter what their situation is, and even for, let's say, tackling energy poverty.